Girlfriend, are you a female leader that has dry as well as oily parts of her face? Well, then this video is for you, and we will see you on the other side. Now, girl, if you have oily and dry parts of your face, I have the best solution for you today. And we're going to basically share this solution in this video. I have been surveying tons of women across the nation and finding out that this is truly an issue for them. And I want to help you resolve those issues. And typically what I am finding is that people have the oily parts of their face typically in their T-zone, while having the dry parts of their face around the perimeter of their face and their cheeks. Now, if you're anything like me, you want to solve this issue because you value your appearance and you want to look a certain way, because you know that when you look good, girlfriend, you definitely feel good. So what we're going to do in this video is we're going to go through and give you a step-by-step tutorial on exactly how to combat the dry as well as the oily. Now, if you have any other beauty struggles that you really want to resolve, be sure to complete the survey down in the description so we can help you with your beauty woes as well, because that's what it's all about. We are all about helping female leaders combat those beauty struggles so they can find products that really will help them rock their unique needs. Let's do this, right? So I made a video specifically for you to show you exactly how I would recommend that you clean your face if you're struggling with oily as well as dry patches on your face. Your skin type is either going to be normal to dry or combination to oily. Now in this video, I'm actually using a cleanser for a combination to oily skin. It's the Time Wise 4-in-1 cleanser. Now, this is perfect for me, but you may not have oily skin. So based on your skincare needs, you want to make sure you have a cleanser that fits you. Okay, so we're going to start off washing our face first. This is the first thing that you want to do. Now, what I have decided to use is a combination to oily cleanser. For me, I use combination to oily because I have more oily patches on my face than I do dry. So I start off with the cleanser, I wet my face, and I'm dabbing the cleanser onto my face using upward and outward strokes. I feel like I get a better cleanse with the brush because it has the bristles moving and it's actually cleaning my face better than my fingers could ever do. So I use the brush just using circular motions up and out, again going against gravity because the gravity is pulling us down, and when I use upward and outward strokes, that is actually going against gravity. So as I continue to cleanse my face, I'm removing all the impurities and really making sure my face is clean. Now, after I clean my face, now I'm going to splash the cleanser off of my face, and then we will move on to the different masks that we will use. Now, the one thing that I want to make sure that you understand that before you apply any kind of mask on your face, you want to make sure that you cleanse first. So I pat my face dry, and then now we're going to apply the mask using a mask applicator. I use the mask applicator because it allows me to keep my fingers out of my face. I'm already oily and I don't want to add any extra oil to it. So we're going to start off with the charcoal mask. I apply the charcoal mask with the mask applicator, and we're going to only put the charcoal mask in the T-zone area. Why the T-zone area? Because that is where I am very oily. So I start applying it in the T-zone, as you can see here that I'm showing you. Now I just start putting the mask on my forehead and just putting a light film of mask on the forehead. I am going to put this mask on the forehead. I'm also going to put it on my nose and on my chin. And this is primarily where I am the oiliest. And typically when I talk to my clients and the surveys that I have gotten from other women around the country, they are typically oily in this area as well. So if you're really looking to control the oil and remove some excess blackheads and whiteheads, as well as being acne prone, put the charcoal mask in your oily parts of your face. Now, also, in addition to that, I am now going to apply the moisture mask. Now, typically from the surveys that I have gotten, they have told me, these women have told me that they are dry on their cheeks and around the perimeter of their face. So that's why I am using the moisture mask on those areas, because I want to add moisture to those areas where I want to remove the excess oil from the T-zone. So we're just putting it all on my face and then making sure that I'm using the mask applicator to apply to keep my hands out of my face, because oftentimes that is what causes breakouts, because the impurities from our hands. So I will leave this on for about 15 to 20 minutes and just let it do its work. Give me the moisture on my cheeks and remove the excess oil on my face. So now that I have allowed those 20 minutes to go by, as you see, the charcoal mask changed from a charcoal gray to a light gray. And you see on my nose, I have those little black specks, and that's the excess oil that was being absorbed through the charcoal mask. So now I'm able to wash this off really quickly. I wash off the charcoal mask as well as the moisture mask, and my face feels absolutely wonderful after this exposure of the two masks. So who knew that you could actually put on two masks at the same time and give your face what it actually needs? So I pat my face dry, and now what I'm going to do is apply that moisturizer. It is the Time Wise Anti-Aging Moisturizer for early to moderate signs of aging. I'm going to put this all over my face, and now I am all ready to either go to bed or to actually apply my makeup. So you can do this too, just like I just did. Cleanse your face, apply the two masks, and then apply the moisturizer. And you will be dazed, glazed, and amazed how your face feels after you've done this. You've given your face exactly what it needs, whether it's oily or dry. You've given it the products that it needs as a result of that. I just want to review the products that I used in this video. First and foremost, I use the Time Wise 4-in-1 cleanser, as you can see here. I also use the Masking Mini set that has a charcoal mask here, as you can see here, as well as a moisture mask. And last but definitely not least, we followed it up with a moisturizer that comes in normal to dry as well as combination to oily, just like the cleanser does. Now, I have all of the products that I used in this video down in the description with the links to take you directly to my website, so you can take advantage of these wonderful products. Of course, if you have any questions or concerns, know that I am here for you and would love to help you with any of your beauty care needs. And if you would like to fill out the survey, we would love to find out what kind of beauty struggles you're having, because I am always writing articles for various different beauty magazines and women magazines, sharing my wisdom on how to take care of your skin. Because if you're a busy leader, girl, you got to make sure that your appearance is on point. So I'm here to help you do that. And thank you again for watching, and bye for now.